A struggling writer named Mia discovers an old typewriter at a flea market. Intrigued by its vintage design, she buys it and takes it home. While typing her first sentence on it, she notices something strange. The words she writes instantly come true. Excited by the possibilities, she writes increasingly bold scenarios, from finding stacks of money to turning her small apartment into a luxurious mansion. However, things take a turn when she types a story about a mysterious stranger knocking on her door. Moments later, there's an ominous knock. Panicked, she tries to undo her story, but the typewriter refuses to respond. As she cautiously approaches the door, the story ends with a twist. The typewriter vanishes, leaving her with unanswered questions about its origins and purpose.